CapCut Cinematic Color Grading. Open video in CapCut. Tap on Adjust. Adjust brightness to -18. Contrast -18. Saturation 27. Exposure -11. Sharpen 52. Tap HSL. In HSL, you can adjust any color in the video, so adjust it according to your video. I'm just changing a few colors. Adjust graphs according to your video. In this video, we are specially changing sky color, so chose blue color. Adjust it. Adjust highlights 21. Shadow 12. Temp -5. Fade 14. Vignette 7. Here you can see before and after edit. Now export video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.